My kind of lunch today, guys. It's chicken wings, a hot and spicy chicken wings. Then I have a zero coke and then French fries for today. And come on, let's go. We're having our lunch today here at Robinson's place at Iloilo City. So that's my lunch for today, and I hope you will enjoy together with me. Chicken. Charan, my chicken, guys. Very yummy, 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 yummy. But I have no hamburger today. It's chicken, fried chicken.